New arrivals this week. How about the 1979 Dodge D150 Lil? You say Lil or Little?
Lil Red.
Lil Red Express pickup.
Yeah, like Lil Wayne.
Yeah, bright canyon red over red. Stunning restoration. This thing is spectacular. Correct 360 cubic inch 4-barrel V8, which was quite a lot of motor in 79.
Yeah, they were considered sport trucks.
They were sport trucks. They were the Typhoon of their day. The Cyclone of their day.
I don't know. I might
be pushing it a little?
Yeah, I think
all right. Correct A727 automatic. It's one of, I think, 5,100 and something of these they made. And added air conditioning. No harm, no foul, I say.
That's good to have. Good to have. Yeah.
Especially in a truck with the, it's good to have. And plus, it's not a lot of square footage, so you don't have as powerful as an air conditioner.
That's true. But they had the stacks, which are
very
cool. Very cool. Everybody loves the stacks.
Everybody loves the stacks. The 1970 Chevrolet Malibu Station Wagon. This thing is really, looks like a Chevelle wagon.
Coming at you.
Astro blue over blue, a ZZ4 350 cubic inch V8, 700 R4 automatic, new power front disc brakes, new upholstery.
Yep.
That's the way we say it in the South.
Upholstery.
And it's got unlimited potential. Now, what does that mean? It means it's probably a little rough around the edges. It's got some things that need to be fixed or attended to, or just drive it and enjoy it.
I say drive it while you're restoring it.
Yeah, I mean, you're driving down there. Here's the thing about cars that are condition 1 being excellent and condition 5 being, beater and, barely drivable. Number 3 condition car is kind of just a driver quality car. If you get up close and start looking, there's imperfection. But if you're driving down the road, you don't get any less thumbs or waves. Everybody's still, that's a cool looking car, and they're not nitpicking it like we have a tendency to.
As I often say, a car like this is like a blank slate. Use your imagination. You want it black, paint it black.
You want to make it an SS Chevelle looking wagon with a 4-speed and
sky's
all
the limit.
Cool stuff. Put a 454 in it. Awesome. Other new arrival: the 1973 Pontiac Firebird Formula, Buccaneer red over black. PHS documents, correct 350 cubic inch V8, numbers matching turbo hydromatic 350 automatic transmission, new 4-barrel quadrajet. It's got a 10-bolt axle.
Yep, 10-bolt.
Well, there you go. You don't want them 9-bolts.
I can't believe it's still here. It's a great car, and they go fast.
They do. They're a go-fast car.
In two ways.
In two ways. That's right. How about the 1960 Lloyd LT600?
How about that car? We just moved it today.
We did?
Yeah.
Teal over teal and beige. Rarely seen. Showstopper. This thing is so bizarre. I've never seen one.
I think Randy has a video on YouTube about it, too.
Well, we'll have another one now. Yep. So it's an interesting car. It looks like a little bread wagon or
a little bread wagon.
Yeah,
a little jitney is the
jitney, yeah. And next on new arrival is a 2000. Well, this car city is familiar. 2016 Mercedes-Benz S65 AMG Coupe, Obsidian black over Napa black, 36,000 actual garage kept miles.
That's right.
621 horsepower, 6-liter twin turbo V12 with 700 plus foot-pounds of torque.
Ooh. Owner kept it clean, too.
That owner, he's a bad
He kept it clean.
He is so cool.
He knows what he's doing.
I call this car the Beast. This thing is just...
It is a beast.
Absolutely amazing.
Or Black Betty.
Old Black Betty?
Yeah, bam-a-lam, bam-a-lam, the damn thing don't lie. No, don't even get me started. God. Anyway, that's my car.
Yes.
So the price is firm. Don't negotiate. Don't come in here kicking the tires.
It's a good price, actually.
Yeah, it is.
Given the market.
For the car, for what it cost new, which I did not pay what it cost new. Let's get that clear. But for what it cost new versus the value today, and for the amount of performance that this car has. I mean, I've never driven anything with more power. It is just...
It's supercar performance for a third of the price.
A third of the price, and it drives nice. You know, it doesn't, it's not
you can take your kids with you.
Yeah,
too.
you can take your kids. You got a back seat. So. And last but not least, the 1964 Buick Riviera, Marlin blue over blue, 340 horsepower, 425 V8, ST400 automatic transmission, luxury muscle, smooth. This thing, I tell you what, when Bill Mitchell designed the Buick Riviera, he really got it right in 1963 or whenever he actually designed it in 62. It is just a cool looking car. And you could get the 360 horse version, which was the GS model, and it was a beast. So much fun to drive. And exactly. So that's our new arrivals this week.
The Classic Auto Mall Show with their host, Stewart Howden.